Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to be going over more back-end stuff. Now, I'm going to get into some more development tutorials in a few lessons here, but I did want to get back to some of the using Magento lessons because there's still plenty of stuff in the back end here we haven't gone over. So I'm going to be going back and forth. I'll do a few of each, sort of back and forth through the rest of this series. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add a whole bunch of products to one category at once. So in the past, you've gone into your manage products, you've edited a product, this imported product, whatever, and we said our categories were going to be just the ones that we checked. They're going to be tutorials, and then we checked Magento. Well, I guess now we can check Magento tutorials. But either way, this is how we changed the category. And you think if you have a ton of products, that might be sort of tedious to move a whole bunch at once. Well, let's go to Catalog, Manage Categories, and I'll show you how you can add or remove lots of products at once. Let's say for some reason, all these men's shoes, we wanted this one category to be men's and women's shoes. We don't want any particular men's category anymore. So let's click this women's shoes because it already has 34, and we can say we'll change this category to men and women's. And let's save this category. So as you can see, it just has the 34 women's shoes in it still. Now, if we wanted to take away all of these men's products, we could just simply deactivate this catalog or category. So we can say, no, it's not active, and we'll save this one. But now we still have these 22 men's shoes that we don't know what to do with. In fact, if we were to, in this men's category, if we were to click category products, you can see all of the products right here. And so this is really cool. But it has all of this stuff here. We want these products all within men's and women's. If you notice that most of these have the word men's in it, so we can come to here. So the first thing we want to do is take a look at this checkbox area. Let's say there's options that starts at yes, and yes is showing you all of the products in this category. No is showing you products that aren't in this category, and any is any product at all. Let's go to no, because the products we're looking for aren't already in this category, and we're going to type in men's, just like that. Looks like I hit enter first, but it doesn't matter. It got all these, and it looks like these are all of the shoes we were looking for. And if we wanted to select all of these, we can just click this select all, and then click save category. And if you'll notice, we now have a whole bunch of new shoes within this new category. Now we have our men's and women's shoes all together. We moved a whole bunch of products at once. And now, let's say you decided you want the shoes. It's no longer going to be men's anymore. You're sort of done with this category as men's, but you want this to be children's shoes. And let's save this. And now we still have 22 products associated with it. I'm going to change it to active, by the way. And I don't want any of these products associated with it anymore. Well, I can come into category products again. I can filter this by yes, and then I can uncheck this one at the top, save this, and it's wiping out all of the products from this category. It looks like we had 2 more left over here. Oops. Let's uncheck this again and save category once more. And now we have our children's category. It has 0, it's ready to go, and we have our men's and women's with all of our men's shoes in it, and everything is nice and good. You can also search by ID. Let's say if you wanted to, if you knew the ID range, or let's say they all had a specific SKU pattern, like if you wanted to get all the Steve Madden shoes, they all started with Steve here. You could even search from price if you know that. But either way, you can control a lot of products within a category at once through this categories and then category products. As always, if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the video or hit us up at Twitter at Level Up Tuts. Let us know what you're thinking. This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching.